Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Katie and I'm the organic esthetician. Today's video is sponsored by 7E Wellness, my favorite microcurrent device company. This video will introduce you to the third of the 7E Wellness MyoLift devices, the MyoLift MD. The MyoLift MD is a FDA cleared professional master device. As you'll see, this professional microcurrent device is just way more comprehensive than the other two options that they make. It offers 8 different waveform variations, a handful of preset protocols, and this combination really allows you to customize your treatment, which will help you create a unique facial for every single client that you have. This is a fantastic device for both estheticians and medical professionals. When I first started looking at professional microcurrent devices, I was looking for companies that offered something for the consumer, an at-home microcurrent option, but then also something really comprehensive for in the treatment room. And it was the MD that really caught my eye because it's so user-friendly. It kind of reminds me of like the original Apple computers. Do you ever have one of those? I had like a see-through purple one. So I'm going to show you what comes with this device, and then we'll walk through all of the different programs that it offers. So 7E generously lent me an MD. So I have this device on loan from the company, and I've been able to play around with it, use it on clients, and make videos for you guys. So when you get your device, it comes with the actual master device. It came with a zippered pouch that stores all of your cords, your lead wires, and your probes. So you get this AC adapter, which plugs into the back of your unit, and then a power cord that's 3-pronged that plugs into your AC adapter. This device needs to be plugged in or charged to be used. So you can either use your device as it's plugged into the wall, or you can charge it up, unplug it, carry it to another room, and it's good for 4 hours of battery life. So it's definitely versatile in that aspect. It comes with a set of probes, and these are going to be different than the probes available for the Mini or the MyoLift 600 because of the type of plug that it has. And I'll show you how this fits into your device. The same goes for the lead wire that it comes with. So it's the standard lead wire on one end, not different plug on the other. So there's an enclosure on the back of your device, and it just pops off. So this is where you plug in your probes. This is where you plug in your power cord. And then there's also a USB port here. It's built into the device to allow for upgrades later on. If there's new software, instead of having to invest in a whole new device, you can upgrade the software on your device as it becomes available from 7E Wellness. So I've plugged in my device. So this is what it'll look like. And it's turned on. There's an on-off switch just here. And this is the home screen. So when you're using your device, you can either use the intensity dial or the touch screen. Unlike the MyoLift 600 and the MyoLift Mini, the MyoLift MD offers 8 different waveform blends. The waveform programs offered with the MyoLift MD are circulation, lymphatic drainage, light lift, deep lift, firming, educate, erase, and iontophoresis. In addition to these, the MyoLift MD offers 6 preset programs in addition to a 7th custom setting. So these are curated programs that treat specific skin concerns. There's rejuvenation, which is great for inflamed or congested skin. Facelifting, which works to drain, lift, and firm the face. Wrinkle reduction, which targets deeper wrinkles smoothing lines and lifting the face. Fascia release, which works to loosen tight fascia between the skin and muscle, restoring circulation and health to the tissue. Acne, which addresses inflammation and impurities in the skin. Pre and post surgery, which technically could be considered two programs. So it works to increase skin health prior to a procedure or surgery, and used post-surgery, it works to reduce inflammation and edema, which will increase recovery time. So those are the 6 preset settings, and then there's a custom setting. It allows you to use each of the waveform blends in the order that you desire. I find that I use the custom setting more often. I do feel like in more of a medical setting, using the preset programs is going to be really helpful at addressing specific concerns in the skin. So the last thing we should talk about when we are speaking about microcurrent devices is intensity. So this is the intensity of the current, which will either increase or decrease stimulation while doing your microcurrent treatment. The MyoLift MD has an intensity range of 175 to 800 microamps. So it's very strong. So using those higher intensity levels, say above 600 microamps, is a great selling point for getting clients interested in MD treatments, but it's also a great way at addressing the needs of those specific clients that have very minimal sensation to microcurrent. We've been using microcurrent at an intensity of 600 microamps, and they say they don't feel anything. Even though they might be getting results, and you're seeing the lifting results, or you're seeing the improved tone and texture of the skin over time, some clients like to feel sensation. And so having a device that offers those higher intensity ranges allows you to get a little zippy on the skin for clients that are specifically requesting that. So in some of my other videos, I've mentioned that studies have shown that microcurrent at an intensity of 500 microamps increases the ATP production in the skin by 500%. Well, this is true, but it's not a complete statement. Technically, an intensity of 500 to 1,000 microamps actually increases ATP by 500%. But what 7E Wellness saw is that when using microcurrent at an intensity of over 800 microamps, a lot of muscle contraction or twitching started to happen. And because that twitching actually counteracts that stimulation of ATP, it diminishes it or uses it up, they decided to cap the MyoLift MD at 800 microamps. So just a little insight on why this device goes up to 800 and not to 1,000. So a really great way to build results with clients that you've been seeing long term. Maybe you've been doing treatments at 600 microamps and you're wanting to increase the results that you're getting. The MyoLift MD is going to be a great option for you. Both of the professional MyoLift devices, the MyoLift 600 and the MyoLift MD, come with signature professional protocols. So a signature facial that you could do with your MyoLift MD device. The MyoLift MD signature protocol is called the MyoLift MD Glow facial. Included with your MyoLift MD is your MyoLift Beauty treatment protocol manual. And so this outlines how to perform all the signature treatments that can be done with your MyoLift MD device. Once you've purchased your MyoLift MD, you will be granted access to the 7E Wellness MyoLift MD online portal. So this is a collection of information and educational materials to help you perform these signature treatments and just in general to use your MyoLift MD. So if you're an esthetician or medical provider looking to bring a really comprehensive form of true microcurrent into your practice, I think the MyoLift MD is a really fantastic option. And if you're a consumer looking for a more elevated microcurrent treatment, I'd suggest reaching out to 70 Wellness directly, and I think they should be able to help you find a provider in your area that's using the MyoLift MD. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions. Unfortunately, the MyoLift MD is the only 70 Wellness product that my discount code doesn't apply to. I know, bummer. But everything else that they retail, you can use code Organic Esthetician to get 5% off of your purchase. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you like this video, give it a little thumbs up down below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure you subscribe. All right, thanks guys. I will see you all really soon. Bye.